go.
You should be able to see that, right?
Yeah. Look at you on your phone and driving. This is proof.
No! Don't show anybody!
Ah!
So on our first run, I didn't want to leave all out. If you notice the burnout, it seems like my right wheel doesn't actually start spinning until later, and I thought the limited slip was to counteract that. But there was some finagling with the tree. I accidentally staged too deep, so he had me back up and restage in. But here we go. We didn't get any 60-foot data off of that, and I wasn't very happy about it, but they ended up fixing it, and we went back up. We're in the left lane this time, and we're going against a SS Camaro with a Whipple supercharger. I didn't get a chance to look back at these videos beforehand, but I did notice that I'm not doing a big enough burnout, and that's something I'm going to have to work on. It gets better towards the end of the day.
$120.11.5.
I know the numbers are getting said backwards, but please, please, please bear with him. He did this for free. He towed my car down there for free, and you know, he's a really good friend, and he just happened to make a mistake today.
Go ahead whenever you're ready. $117.
So this ended up being our fastest pass of the day. We talked to Jay Green about why our 60-foot was so low and what we could do to better it. We made some changes, and unfortunately the car went in the opposite direction, but that's how it goes sometimes.
118, 11.6.
This car had a massive turbo and we were really excited to see it, but unfortunately he didn't have a good launch. Another absolutely beautiful car that unfortunately just fought issues all day long and never made a full pass. In fact, I don't even think it really started to make a pass. Well, that sucks. That means we get one more pass.
Charger vs Challenger, 5764. Yeah, buddy. Let's get it, Lauren. 120, 114. 120, 114. Lauren wins.